All right, guys. Welcome back. Let's reanalyze AUDJPY. This is the pair I analyzed, I think, last 2 weeks. Then since then I have not updated, giving you update on this particular pair, right? So a lot has been going on also since that analysis. So if you know what you do or what you are doing, you would have been also seeing what you're supposed to see when it comes to Bastra concept, right? Then I'm going to reanalyze the market again for you guys to relearn, right? So now I'm starting the analysis AUDJPY from the monthly time frame as always. You have to know the story from the higher time frame. Don't forget that, guys. So from the higher time frame, it is obviously an uptrend, right? Looking at it here, it's an uptrend. There's no more story to tell, right? Let me pick my pen. This is a high, low, higher, high, higher, low, like that, and then the market coming here to react from this level and it's pushing up. So from the monthly time frame is obviously an uptrend. So market is actually reacting from here. And like I said, if you go to more higher time frame than the monthly time frame, you will realize that this is actually a manipulation entry formula. There is a confirmation on the more higher time frame from the monthly. So this is how we see. We know where the market is coming from. We know where the market is going. Last 2 month candle, look at the market close as a hammer. A lot of rejection from the buyers pushing the market up like that. Second month, rejection pushing up, and then this current month, the market is still pushing, right? So now, let's go to the weekly time frame. If you go to the weekly time frame, the monthly we said is an uptrend. Let's change this color. Direction. So monthly is an uptrend, right? And the market is pushing. And from the weekly here, we want to see from weekly is also, there was something like a double top here. And this is something like a double top. But since we don't use double top, right? This is where the market first got rejection, market drop, and then another rejection where the market give us what we call a blind spot. This is actually a blind spot. Blind spot in Bastra concept shows a reversal, confirm a reversal. If the monthly is rejecting up, weekly is was seen as a downtrend actually, but with the presentation of this blind spot on the weekly time frame, is confirming that the market is ready to push up, right? So this is a blind spot. How is it a blind spot? This is a last bearish engulfing candle made by this significant break by price. So when this happened on the chart, we know that the market is definitely, because top-down analysis, that this guy is actually agreeing with the monthly time frame that the market is going to push up. But remember, when a blind spot happens, market tends to retrace, and this is a weekly time frame. One retracement, it means the retracement is going to be for the whole week. The last time I did analysis, the market dropped down, which we got opportunity. I'm going to show you guys. Then the second week, which is this week that just closed, market also pushed down before I got another setup, which I'm going to show you guys as well. So now the market give us a blind spot signifying that, or agreeing to the higher time frame that the market is definitely going to push up, right? So now let's go to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, we have what we call manipulation entry, Quasimodo manipulation. So look at it here. This is like a failed Quasimodo that becomes what? That becomes manipulation. So what this means is that on the weekly time frame, we have a blind spot. Blind spot means reversal, fall under reversal category, right? And then on the daily time frame, we have a Quasimodo manipulation. Quasimodo manipulation also fall under reversal category setup. So the whole of the 3 time frame, the monthly, the weekly, and the daily time frame also agreeing to the fact that the market is pushing to the upside. So based on Bastra concept, what are you going to do? You will now start planning your trade in respect to the trend, in respect to the direction of the market. So if this market is to push, let's go to the daily time, to the H4 time frame. I'm expecting the market to push all the way to this level here. Why this level? To this level. This is futuristic, right? This is where we want the market to push to this level here. So if you understand Baxter concept, the market is going to push to this level, because when you go to the monthly time frame, we have a serious bearish engulfing. So you think this bearish engulfing market is not just going to break it like that, right? Look at this bearish engulfing. This bearish engulfing is the one that give birth to this potential Quasimodo. But then when the market get there, we can see some rejection for a sell opportunity. The market can get to this level. Market can get to this level and then give us a deep retracement for another continuation. So that deep retracement is a good selling opportunity in the lower time frame. That is why top-down analysis, like I keep saying, is the only analysis. But right now, let's deal with what is in front of us, right? Which is, this is futuristic, right? Let's deal with what is in front of us. So last week, let me show you how we managed to spot my opportunity. You know, when the market drop here to this level, market come back to this level, I know here I will start looking for what opportunities to buy, right? You can, if you are this person that can enter the market directly from H4, but I respect risk to reward ratio, right? You can enter here, your stop loss below here, and then you hold, right? But then the market has been failing to move as expected, but ranging. But even this range is, if you know what to do. Now, because the setup is coming from this potential Quasimodo, look at it, is coming from Quasimodo manipulation is coming from the daily. So my reconfirmation is going to be where? Your reconfirmation is going to be from this level here. This is where the market actually comes here to this level. So your reconfirmation is going to be from the H1 M30 time frame. So from the H1 is where I think that time I got in here. When I started seeing this rejection, I got in even with that confirmation, right? But then I got in early. But there is also this on M30, there is let me put my line there. There's actually a SNRC1 here at this level. So if you are waited for confirmation, you got in here. And then I think I measure my risk to reward ratio was somewhere. I think it was 3%, but the market was not able to give me that 3%. So it was like 2 point something percent before the market started dropping. So as I hold this trade, I hear this trader, as soon as the market started disrespecting this level here, I have to close because I know the market is coming back down again. But my buyer was still to buy, right? So when the market, oh, not this one, not this one, not this one. I think I hold the trade up to this level. Let's go back to 1 hour. Yeah, up to this level here. There were a lot of emotions. Market put me a comeback again, then push up to this level. So when I saw this bullish momentum like this, I know, okay, finally the market almost got to my TP, right? Almost got to my TP. And I think my first TP was 3%. The third one was at the high here. So the market produce this bullish and this momentum to go up. So then I started seeing the market dropping. The moment the market closed below, I know that maybe the market want to retrace back down. I have to close the trade. Then the market drop again back to this level. I'm still very optimistic that this market is still bullish, right? And then on the 1 hour time frame, I spotted this one here. This is another Quasimodo. This was Quasimodo. The first entry was SNRC1. This one is a Quasimodo, and this one I think gave me 3% here. So this is actually, let me mark. This is actually another confirmation. This is a high, low, low, lower, low, higher, high here. So the confirmation is from the confirmation candle is from the H4 time frame. Let's see. No. So this one hit CP. I think it was 3%, not 4%. I measured 3%. I think something here. 3 point something percent on that trade. Yes. So this is how I've been looking for only fantastic five in line with the buy since I know my direction. I'm not interested to anything like this one. This one may seem like a blind spot for a sell, blah, blah, blah. I don't care. I want to see set up in line with the direction of the market, right? So now this has already played out. I caught this one. I caught this one. I think this is the I traded this one is the last week I didn't trade, like I said. I traded this one and one set of um US 30, one blind spot set up from US 30. That was it on Friday? Yeah. So let's see. Even this week, I'm not going to have that chart time on the chart, but let's see how it goes. Guys, so now I want to remove all of this. So the possible confirmation, the market is still going to continue going bullish. So, but how do we trade from next week? So I'm still going to look for possibilities to buy. The market has been ranging, but within the range, there is fantastic five within the range. You only look for setup only in line with the buy direction because the market is to buy. But also, I'm seeing this level here. This is like this setup here is like I'm seeing this level as a manipulation entry formula here. So I can cover here and here, but this thing is big, right? So I can see this as manipulation entry formula here. Why is it manipulation entry formula? I have a bullish engulfing on the daily time frame, right? Market rejecting from that daily time frame. And then I have bullish engulfing. This is a bullish engulfing. Let me show you. This is a bullish engulfing. I know the market is ranging, but yeah, if the market comes here, give me extra confirmation on 15 minutes is to buy, right? So this is a bullish engulfing from the daily, and then we have rally-based rally from the H4 time frame. So, and you realize that the rally-based rally happened inside the daily bullish engulfing. So this is a strong level to buy here, a strong level to buy from this angle here. Also, I don't want this video to be too long, guys. You can also check the same analysis, the same market presentation on GBPCAD. If you go to GBPCAD, you see there's a beautiful setup there on GBPCAD because the same market structure, the same everything with AUDJPY, the same market direction, top-down analysis, the way I did here, the same thing that is showing there, right? And also a lot of opportunities that manipulation entry formula, Quasimodo reversal and all of that. It's the same thing, guys. So I want you to go do assignment for yourself. Go to GBPCAD and also look at the same way I'm looking at AUDJPY. You see that there are a lot of opportunities there, guys. So thank you so much for watching. I don't know when I'm going to be having time again. So even I used to do free Zoom session on my Telegram channel, so I don't have that time any longer because I'm doing something that is taking my chat time. So, but then I'll be getting back to the chat soon full time. Then I'll be dropping more details, top-down analysis of Fantastic Five. When you know how to look at the market in respect to Fantastic Five and when to actually take a trade, then you will be glad. You will be very glad with the concept. But if you want to trade it the way you watch on YouTube or other YouTube channel, my brother, you will struggle. So like I said, keep practicing, keep learning from your error. It took me a lot of time to be able to figure it out the way I'm doing it now to have that consistency. So my best bet remains US 30 gold, Those are my two. Gold is the first, followed by USDT. USDT is a very amazing pair that respect fantastic five. So guys, just select your pairs. Keep looking at the chart, back test, do a lot of homework on your own. Like I said, without devotion, there is no transformation at all. Whether you like it or not, you must be dedicated, right? So guys, I wish you all the best. Thank you for watching. Make sure you share my video. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you keep supporting me by commenting in the comment section, and also tell other people about my channel. So let's take this channel straight to 2,000 subscribers. Thank you so much, guys. God bless you all.